Well, that was fun. And we are missing all the fun. Okay, so had connection issues, go figure. Nasdaq selling off. Okay, that's all right. That's expected. It took me way too long to get this all connected today. Kept giving me a forbidden error. There we go. I think this is the right layout. So this is gold. Let's go back to NASDAQ. Okay, there we go. Okay, I should be able to just double click this. NQ, NQ, NQ. 15-second. There we go. VWAP came down with it, so not looking for longs yet. Asia low. Are we not going to load? There it goes. Why they are just enjoying selling all of this off. Coming back into the VWAP. Okay, I need music. Not really sure what kind of music this is going to be. We're going to give it a try. I think it's just selling off. Hasn't came back to the 50 on the 15-second, so seeing if we can get a little bit of a push up here. I did take a long at 686, running it straight to break even just because, yeah, and it just took me out. This is still really choppy. I think I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. I need to see what they do here at the daily open. We are below. Let's see, this is Hong Kong, Asia. This is the actual bottom of Asia, which lines up with a pivot point. Starting to get a little bit of lift. I don't like that this doesn't have a wick on the downside on the 1 minute. I think it's going to break the low again. Taking a short, seeing if we can tap the daily open again. I've already moved my stop to break even. In case it just ripped right back this other way like it just did. It's almost tapped me out. Yeah. So did we actually, we didn't even tap break even. But notice how this one didn't have a wick and it came down and made that wick. Now this one has a wick and can go up. It's just funny little things that you watch for a while. I really think if we break daily open, we've got at least the pivot point. I don't know if we'll take yesterday's low. I think this could just be a manipulative move to the downside. Okay, there is a red vector into the daily open. Let's see if it continues down. So far, this looks like selling. We've got imbalances. I need this thing to go away. Collapse pane. There we go. I like this better. Looking at 642 for imbalances. Oh, but here we are. Okay, so the 15-minute, we're tapping the 200 coming into it. Let's switch this to the 5. The 800 on the 15 is just below that, almost to the pivot point. Pivot point lines up with the 800 EMA as well, which yesterday we made a W off the pivot point. I mean, off the 800. Reds, violets. I think we're still coming down though. Pretty good sell-off. I don't know if we actually had news come out or not. I'm just gonna trade this like I would on a technical pattern. Oh, 1 second. There we go. We have like a 1 minute. I don't know. I think they're just coming back up to tap the daily open. Coming up to the 15-minute close. So on this next 5-minute candle, for me to consider like a possible long, I'm looking for this area right here to get tapped. But I want them to close back above. So there's, you know, this candle, I want them to manipulate here and then come back towards the daily open. So let's see what they do. This is the bottom of Asia though. If they flush bottom of Asia, then I might actually, I need to sit on my hands. They've taken back the entire day. Okay, first 15 minutes. Let's see if they can sweep it down lower. Getting a little bit of interest here, but not a whole lot. Nope, I was too early. Okay. There we go, right? Oh. I think I'm glad I wasn't in that move just now. Oh yeah, we're now through the bottom of Asia. Gonna continue. They're dumping this. Damn, I didn't really see that. We could come all the way back and take back the rest of this range. Although it seems like it's trying to reverse it. No, it's just filling orders. I'm gonna mute it for a little bit while I'm waiting for something to happen. Not really sure what we're bouncing off of right now. I think this might just be a continuation down, actually. Yeah, let's try feeding a short here. Oh, it didn't go. Why is it not working? Okay, something's wrong with this. Damn it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now it's going to come into play. Let me tell you. Close that shit. Okay, I got some like major lag on in queue right now. Yeah, there's not enough margin when you're trying to open like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 contracts. Come on, what the hell? Oh yeah. This might be like a really boring day. Min longs, I'm waiting for this to actually retest the 50. I'm already like break even, though I don't get smashed on this shit, but this thing is just not being friendly today. Yeah, I'm out of my long. That blew into the 50. It's probably a good entry short, to be honest. I think I might have been too close, too slow. And I don't like these imbalances right above. And we're now red blue on the 5. So I'm actually looking for an entry long again. Just have to time it right. I don't like this green vector on the 15-second hanging out down here. I feel like we could break the lows again before we come up. 7 seconds left. We'll see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now we're coming in. This is the last 5 minutes of the hour. Oh no. This blue may not hold. This looks very dippy. Very dippy. No, I think we're actually gonna flush. Are we gonna flush? Maybe not. VWAP came down. We haven't even tested the VWAP really. Oh, there we go. Breaking the low. Gonna break it again. Oh, I have to take it. I have to take it. It's my setup. It's violet on the vibe. I don't know. Okay, so sell 5, stop at the bottom. I'm gonna trail this. You can't actually see it because my trading view is being redonkulous. Yeah, this may not be ready yet. We'll see. No wick on the bottom of the 1 minute. We'll see if we get a push or not. No, coming back down. Took me out at break even. Yeah, I think this could continue down some more. I feel like I've seen this before and I've gotten smacked by it more than once. I'm feeling very hesitant today. This looks like it's just gonna pin the 50 on the 15 second. Can we get a push over the 50? I don't know. This looks promising on the 5. Yeah, and then it just comes right back down and whacks it. There must be news at 9 o'clock. Let's see. I took a long. I'm already at break even. I'm assuming that this thing wants to go up, but I'm gonna cut this pretty quick if it doesn't want to. It's at that previous zone that we sold off from. It's like my biggest concern right now. 15 seconds flipping red. And came back green. Watching it. Oh, closed red. See if we can re-break that wick. gonna go ahead and start trailing bottom of that wick, so 603 will be my stop. Just in case we flash down. Okay, now I'm at 611, trailing my stops on the 15-second. Seeing if we can at least go back to VWAP. VWAP is sitting at the 640 region, 645. I think we can. We've got imbalances to it. It's just gotta get some lift here. And into that pivot point. Is this going to be a rejection of the pivot point? Trying to give this thing a benefit of the doubt. Oh, I'm out. Blue 1 minute vector already been reclaimed. Could we go lower? We did not tag the 50 and there's no red vectors on the 15-second or the 1 minute. At the 620s, trying to see if we're going to get a pop into the 30s. Oh, looks like we're getting stuck here. Maybe we can... Oh, there's another nice push. Coming right back down. Damn. Okay, I want to see if they're going to reject the VWAP or not. I thought I removed all this crap. That looks like we're rejecting the VWAP. I could totally be wrong. I could also just be testing this previous zone right here. And of course it stops me out. This looks like I might want to flip long. That blue stopping volume vector. I am going to try a long back to the VWAP again. See if we can punch through this pivot point this time. There's a lot of vectors coming in on the 15-second again. Coming back into the New York session VWAP, is at 41. Taking back that red vector on the 15-second, and this might be a fast snap back. Take back the green vector. That might be more the rejection. Damn it. Hang on. Now let's see. There's no top wick. Let's see if it holds the pivot point. Seems like it wants to hold the pivot point. I don't have any real push. We're basically sitting at Asian session low. Right? Yeah. Well, let's see if this was just a sweep. Green vector pinned through. The VWAP took back most of the imbalances, so this could just come right back down. If we break 25s, I think I'm gonna start changing my bias to the downside. See if we can go tag the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. Daily open sitting at 667. And back to the 50. I don't think we're getting enough volume. Wait. Yep, I was afraid of that. Well, let's see if it might just ping pong here between the New York session VWAP. So that's what I'm watching. Yep, here you can see it. It's kind of zigzagging through here. Zigzagging is just picking up orders. Like curious if this looks like a W. Where'd it go? Pulling back off to 50 again. 15 seconds says up, like they want to break through. See if they can retest the daily open at 67. 15 second starting to flip. Okay, somewhere my VWAP bands went. I was looking for the daily VWAP and it's not showing up. Well, this definitely created some expansion in the chart, that's for sure. Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks like it's starting to pick up some more speed. Red vector into the VWAP. Tapping the 50 on the 15 second. No, it looks like they may be wanting to come back for some more downside. I know. There we go. Still waiting for... I don't know where it is. So... Trying longs again here. It's not quite as V-play-ish. I want to see them get back over the 600s, but... No, not tap the 600s. Okay, we didn't like that. Really thinking about trying that long again. See what they do with this 50 EMA on the 15-second. Pulling back, pulling back. 5 minutes, still has 2.5 minutes left. So hard, I don't know if these 600s are going to hold. 608, 609. No, flushing. Okay. Wait. I need to trust myself with shorts, and I'm just not. This whole 4-hour finish violet at the 9 o'clock.
As you can tell.
I don't like that the 5-minute actually closed here. I was eyeing this as a possible like W structure, but I don't have any. Just don't feel good about it. I think we're gonna go break the lows again. Oh, there's the flip. Long. We'll see how long it lasts. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's on the freaking, it's all the way over here. Sorry. I was like, I'm missing something. Is there a way to flip this? Visibility. I don't think so. So I had to change my position there for a second. Or fix it. Oh, place. Okay, placement right. Okay, I like this better. POC. We need like in a big pink line or something. We'll do pink. Okay. Value rate high, low. We're gonna do this in do a dark gray. Okay. There we go. Now I can actually see where the freak we are. Oh. Maybe that's why I didn't like it though, because now it's all up in my 5 minute. Oh well. You know what? That's fine. So the point of control is actually here at the lows. Yep, we just keep failing these 50s. Or the 50 on the 50 second. This might just be a pop above the 50 to come back down. Like just grabbing orders kind of thing. It's really got to push. Nope. We keep rejecting like basically over 600 though, so I'm really skeptical as far as if this is actually going to continue upwards. I'm trying a short here. I don't know if this is actually going to break or not. I have a tight stop. Basically the 50 is my stop. Now I'm break even. Nope, looks like it's just going to make a wick. Yep, buyers stepping in at 596. Nope, that's another. Oh.
cutting-edge chart trading feature and 300 plus indicators. You can now trade directly off the chart.
Oh, that music sucks. Well, I have no clear direction here, so I guess I get to wait. This other volume profile that I'm looking at looks doesn't show as much. No, I guess they do. They look very much so the same. Oh, wait, we had a bunch of speakers today. Or we have speakers today. Come on, hold 620. I think for now this is it for me. I don't like how this looks at all. I think we might just keep wiggling. So yeah, this looks like a day that the shorts are winning, and I don't do good on those days. So I'm actually just gonna go play some games or something. Have a good one.